Have you been feeling discouraged? Let's take 1 minute to shift our focus back to God's faithfulness. We hear so much about how we should share our testimonies, how they are not for us, but they're actually for others. Psalm 77 verse 11 and 12 says, I will remember the works of the Lord. Surely I will remember your wonders of old. I will also meditate on all your work and talk of your deeds. It is a reminder that our testimonies are just as much for us as they are for anyone else. There have been times in my life when I needed to be reminded of God's past faithfulness. And the way that I have done that is by looking in what I like to call my war chest. So whenever you are facing difficulties, remember God's faithfulness and dwell on His goodness. If you can't recall a particular situation, ask yourself, if a friend came to you with your exact problem, how would you inspire them and uplift them with one of your testimonies? Looking back on how God has worked in your life before shifts perspective from a place of fear to a place of trust. Thanks for joining me for 1 minute on Purpose.